Today we're going to unbox the Nintendo Switch 2. And who's going to help me here? My buddy! Hey, Alan. Alan, come on. Let's unbox this thing. Go ahead.
Wow.
Good job, man.
It feels so... I don't know what to say, but it feels so good. We have
Check that out. Mario Kart World. This is a bundle, right? Yeah. Mario Kart World and has the physical game included.
It has two-player mode.
Yeah, it has two-player mode. Go ahead and unbox it, buddy. Come on.
Oh.
Go ahead and open it. Ooh, nice. So that is the Switch.
Okay.
Open it.
All right. Oh.
Ooh, nice.
Oh my God.
Man, it's big.
It's big like a tablet.
Yeah, it's like a tablet, man.
A tablet.
Check it out. Compared to the original Switch, which has seen better days. Look at that. Whoa. Yeah.
So here's the Switch, and
All
then
right.
we're gonna unbox the Joy-Cons.
Yes.
These Joy-Cons are actually magnetic, and we can use it for two-player mode.
Awesome. Makes this thing different from the original Switch, right?
Yeah.
Because they're magnetic. That's way easier, man. Finally solves the
Blue,
Joy-Con
because
problem.
blue is my favorite color.
Me too. Cool. Check that out.
It feels so
Yeah.
soft. Let's see the magnetic touch.
Let's see.
This is the red side. Here's the blue side.
Go ahead.
Wow.
Nice. Whoa.
Let's do the red one.
What do you think about the mechanism? So how do you remove the Joy-Cons?
You press here. There are two buttons. You press this,
Yeah.
and the magnetic thing comes off.
Wow, that's actually even better than this. Do you remember the mechanism on the original Switch?
Without the button, it's almost impossible, and you might break your Switch. So be careful. Warning: do not move it without pressing the button. You will break your Joy-Cons.
That's true. And show us the stand.
Oh yeah, it has a very cool stand.
Wow.
You can adjust it as much as you want.
That's actually pretty cool, man. Let's see. Wow.
The Switch doesn't even have a stand.
Yeah, man, that's actually really cool. Look at that.
Comparison.
Turn it
Let's
on.
Hold it. or
Okay.
press it.
Yeah, nice. Man, this is actually pretty cool. Look,
So you can
this is for
disconnect-
our region. Yeah, this is for the Middle East because we have 3 prongs. And this is for the American version or the other versions in Europe. So what you can do is, yeah, just connect it like that. And that's it.